Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lija and I'm a full-time backpacker exploring this world on a budget. Today, I'm in North Bali, exploring two of Bali's most beautiful waterfalls, Fiji and Sekumpul, without the crowds, surrounded by endless rice terraces and jungle. So if you don't have your own scooter or simply don't want to figure everything out on yourself, I'll take you along for the day. From natural water slides and spectacular waterfalls to where to eat and a beautiful cafe with a view at the end. Let's go! Good morning, beautiful people. Today I'll be visiting Fiji and Sekumpul Waterfall. I am right now waiting for the driver to come pick me up. I picked a organized tour because I was having trouble driving with the really big scooter they gave me yesterday, and it's an hour away, so I thought just to be safe I'll do it in a tour. And I'm really excited about these two waterfalls because at least they're supposed to not be as many people as the waterfall near Ubud. So it's gonna be a lot of walking, a lot of stairs. It's gonna be a hard day, but I'm very excited. So today's gonna be a lot of fun. Let's go. Made it to the first spot. It's a water slide, and I didn't realize I booked a private tour, so it's just me and the guide today. But this is so beautiful. I mean, the rice fields, the water, everything is very, very nice. I am enjoying my day, although it's really hot. This does not feel safe at all. Yeah, I'll just do this one again. After the fun slide, we follow the river through this incredible, lush landscape, with rice terraces stretching across the valley and jungle-covered mountains all around us. And eventually, the river brought us to our first waterfall, one of the Fiji waterfalls. From there, we continued through the rice terraces, following the trails deeper into the valley to our next waterfall, and this one was a completely different scale. Sekumpul Waterfall drops around 80 meters and is one of the tallest waterfalls in Bali. Check this out. to the waterfall we just saw from above. And we are literally going for a jungle. This is so nice. At least it's not as hot as I thought it would be. That was impressive. After I seen it from above, I thought I've seen like the best way to see it, but from down there you can see how big it actually is. Apparently it's the tallest one in Bali, and you can't even stand down there without getting soaking wet in a few seconds. It was precious. Totally loved it. I think it was worth the 360 steps it took to get down here, and now I have to climb the whole back. These two waterfalls are just something else. It's beautiful. You guys should definitely visit this if you're going to come to Bali. I do believe you can take tours from Ubud as well. It's just a longer ride. So living the best life in Bali. I am loving it so far. We made it back for lunch and I have this whole place to myself with this amazing view. The steps back were brutal, but totally worth it. It's such a nice place. I'm gonna try to convince my driver back home to take me to the cafe I wanted to see, but this is also very, very nice. And the driver was kind enough to bring me here. Look at this. That was so nice, totally worth it. I'm gonna leave you guys with the location of the restaurant. It's a beautiful place. I think that from the viewpoint standpoint it was the best because you can see both waterfalls. Amazing. So happy. I asked my driver to leave me in town so I can take a massage again. I look a little bit sleepy. It was wonderful. It was wonderful. Now let me show you guys where you can have dinner or lunch or anything, because this place was a gem. I loved the food yesterday. I came here yesterday night and it was the best I had so far in Bali. And I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna eat fish better than this, because there's many places here where you would like to eat fish but you're not really confident in trying it, being afraid of Bali billing and everything. So I came here yesterday and I had the same thing. I didn't want to change it because it was so freaking good. It has a garlic butter and it's some sort of fish they have here. that's a perfect way to finish a perfect day. No, this was €4. Stay tuned, tomorrow I'll be traveling to Ubud. So see you tomorrow in Ubud.